circuits, JEE means second class. Some concepts. Here, equation of the circuits equations. The circle touches x-axis. This is x-axis. This is center h comma k. The radius is equal to r is equal to this is equal to y coordinate. So r is equal to k. Here y coordinate is k. Therefore, the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square means k square. Next, here the circle intersecting the line at 2 points. This is the x-axis. So x intercept is AB. Intercept is equal to the length of AB, length of the chord AB. Here x intercept, it is equal to 2 into under root g square minus c. So if g square minus c here greater than 0 always. So therefore next g square minus c is equal to 0. The circle touches x-axis. This one. This is the condition. Here g square minus c is equal to 0. Next, here g square is equal to how much? C. So similarly, next one. If g square minus c less than 0, the axis x-axis does not meet the circle. This is x-axis. This is circle. Okay. Next, similarly, second one. Similarly, the circle touches the y-axis at one point. The circle equation is, suppose h comma k is the center. Here r is equal, it is equal to r value is equal to x coordinate. X coordinate is h. So therefore, x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square means here h square. This is the circle equation. Next, here if it is touches y axis, 2 into g square f square minus c is equal to 0. F square minus c is equal to 0. F square is equal to c. Next, the intersecting in 2 points, the y-axis. So the y-intercept is here A and B. Here this is y-axis. So here y-intercept is the length of AB is equal to 2 into under root f square minus c. Similarly, here always here f square minus c is greater than 0. Under root value is positive. So if this is f square minus c greater than 0, this is the y-intercept. Okay, intersecting in 2 points the y-axis. Therefore, this is the y-intercept. Next, f square minus c is equal to 0. This the y-axis touches at 1 point. This one. Next, here f square minus c less than 0. So it is f square minus c less than 0. It is not touches and that does not meet the y-axis. Okay. Next concepts are this is a circle. This is a point, next to fourth point. This is the point exterior. From this point to circle, we draw the 2 tangents. So it is touches at 1 point, joining the 2 points A and B. This is the chord. AB is the chord. So the equation of the chord, if it is a point x1 comma y1, s is equal to 0 is the circle. So the equation of the chord, equation of the chord of contact. Chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. Chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. Next, here the length of the chord is 2 into under root. Here the length of the chord 2 into under root. Here d square minus r square. So d is the distance from center to the line. The center to the line. Here this is d is the distance. Now center. Here this is the d, the perpendicular distance. Next, radius. Here this is the radius. 2 right angled triangles. This is the length is, length of the tangent is PA and also it is equal to PB, length of the tangent is equal to, so root S11. So this is the root S11. Root S11. Next, the area of the triangle PAB. Area of the triangle. So area of triangle PAB is equal to R into S11 whole to 4 of 3 by 2 by S11 plus R square. This is the formula. Okay. Next, the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle is area of the triangle, right angle triangles. Here PAC, area of the triangle. PAC is equal to half base into height. So half base into height means here R into root of S11. So these are 2 right angled triangles. Area of the quadrilateral PACB is equal to so 2 into 2 right angled triangles. So 2 to s. So r into root s 1 1. This is the area of the coordinator. Next, the circle. So we are passing through these points. We are passing through these points. This is the concyclic points. So more than 4 points lies on the same circle. That points are called concyclic points. Here P and A and C and B, 4 points. We are passing through these 4 points. This is a concyclic circle. The center is midpoint of the PC. The circle center is midpoint of PC. P is the point and C is the center of the given circle. So this circle center is this is the S. Let me take S is equal to midpoint of PC. This is the center of the concyclic circle. Okay, clear? Important. This is next.